Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Incline and Ascension by Pulte Homes. This is one of the most popular new construction communities here in South Summerlin. Now, stick around because in this video, we are going to be touring the floor plan Parklane. Realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you like looking at new home build tours, or if you plan on moving to Las Vegas, do me a favor, guys. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Hey, what's up, guys? So welcome to Incline at Ascension here in South Summerlin. Now, guys, this is a beautiful master plan community. We're about 25 to 30 minutes west of Las Vegas Airport and Strip, close to the summit. Now, guys, this Ascension master plan community is actually made up of 6 different communities. 3 of them are going to be Pulte communities. The other 3 are going to be Toll Brother communities. Beautiful, again, master plan community. This is the only new build, new construction, guard gated community in Summerlin. Okay, now in this specific video we're going to go over the Incline at Ascension, which is going to be single story homes. So here I will have the floor plans on the screen for you. So they offer 4 different floor plans here, all ranging from 2,297 square feet to about 2,875 square feet. Okay, with the base prices ranging 1,048,990 all the way up to 1,320,990. Now, when you see the base price, just know you have to factor in the lot premiums as well as the upgrades. Okay, so as far as the lot premiums, the way they're doing it here, because there is high interest here, they are bidding on lots. Now, the lots as of today, they're going for about like 150 to 200,000. With the upgrades, buyers are normally putting in about 20 to 25% of the base price. Okay, so just take your base price, add the lot premium, add the average upgrades. That's going to be your out the door price. Okay, these homes are all single story, very luxurious, modern homes here. I will have some information about the community for you. So as far as the HOA goes, the HOA is $255, and that's going to be for the Ascension master plan fee. And then you're gonna, in addition to that, you're gonna have the $65 a month Summerlin South fee. Okay, so that's a total of $320 per month. Now, there's no sit-in lids, but if you are a buyer in this community, buyers are to pay a one-time amenity fee of $5,000 at closing. Okay, so that's just a one-time fee. Build time is going to be about 7 to 9 months, and the average lot sizes are going to be about 6,500 to 8,500 square feet. Okay, most of these homes are going to be building from lot up. They're not doing too many spec homes, although they do have one spec home available right now, which is like a quick move-in. I think they're going more so toward the path of building from lot up. Okay, also in this community, the Incline, there's going to be about 119 homes. Okay, but in total for Ascension, there's going to be 561 homes altogether. Okay, but yeah, that's about it. Let's get started with the tour. Welcome everyone to the Parklane floor plan. Now the Parklane floor plan, this is 2466 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath. It could be a 3-car garage tandem. Base price as of today is $1,095,990. Guys, again, out the door, including when you added the upgrades and the lot premium, you're looking at about 1.5, 1.6. You have 3 different elevations you could choose from when you build from lot up. That's just how the exterior looks. But also the important thing about the elevation as well is it does affect the interior, because elevation A is no charge, right? And you're going to have 10-foot ceilings for most of the home. And there's going to be some areas like the living room that you'll have 12-foot ceilings. But if you want to go with like elevation B, your primary bedroom will also have 12-foot ceilings, as well as the dining room area. And then elevation C is the most expensive. Okay, you're going to have vaulted ceilings in the living room. It's going to be like 14 feet, 14 to 16 feet high. Now, welcome in. Okay, so with the floor plan, so right over here, you're gonna have the 2 bedrooms with a full bath, okay? You'll have your laundry room right here. Now, with this specific model, the model home, they did opt with the tandem 3-car garage. But if you didn't have that 3-car garage tandem, you can have a suite. So pretty much another bedroom that would have its full bath. So you have your den area right here. Okay, so this is going to be your private bath. Beautiful kitchen, dining room area, living room area. Okay. So this is the vaulted ceiling I was talking about. This is elevation C. Okay, so it's about 14, 16 feet high. Right over there, you're gonna have like 12 feet high. If this was elevation B, this would just be all 12 foot. And then you have your primary bedroom to the corner. But yeah, let's go ahead and start in the front. Oh yeah, just in case you're curious to know what the measurements are. Okay, so this is like the base floor plan. You would go ahead and pause it, the video, if you want to know the dimensions. Okay, so it also say for the 3-car tandem, that's what it would be. And then very nice. So yeah, we'll start out over here. Okay, so all your doors right here, you're gonna have the 8-foot doors. Okay, that is standard with the home. This home is beautifully upgraded. So you remember, most buyers are putting in about 20 to 25% of the base price in upgrades. Okay. A beautiful walk-in shower. You got your nice gold fixtures. Beautiful flooring as well. So right over here, you have your 2 bedrooms. Okay, look, plenty of windows, allowing for a lot of natural light to come in. You have a small walk-in closet right here. Okay. Now all bedrooms are going to come with the pre-wire for the ceiling fans. So that is all included. Yeah, any like additional lights in bedrooms, if you want to add that, you could definitely do that. Okay, so right here, you're gonna have your linen closet. Here's your second bedroom. Pretty decent size. I think if you go back to that video, that clip in the beginning, you can look at dimensions of different rooms. So this one has a more spacious walk-in closet here. Yeah, I love the 10-foot ceilings though. So nice. Obviously, like the flooring now, it's all gonna be optional, okay? So the standard flooring is gonna be like the ceramic tile only in the wet areas and carpet all throughout. But definitely if you're buying here, you know, that's almost like a must. You have to upgrade the flooring. So right here, you're gonna have your laundry room. This is gonna be the door to your garage, okay? Now, I believe if you had the suite instead of the 3-car tandem, you'd have like a door right over here to access that suite. This would be like a hallway. Okay. Plenty of cabinets. Nice, I know that's important. It's a lot of buyers having the sink in the laundry room. Welcome to the den. Okay, a few different upgrade options with the French doors. Beautifully designed. I wish this was my office. That would be really nice. All right, so you're gonna have your powder room over here, but the door is locked. So again, you have your linen closet. And you have your, this is your main living area. Okay, fireplace, optional fireplace. So yeah, a couple of different structural upgrades that you see here. So this is like the built-in refrigerator that is optional. Also, right here, the countertop, the kitchen island, that is optional. You have the optional waterfall island as well. Okay, also the slider. Good. Now this one is this is the slider that you could pull from here, so it opens this whole section up, which is beautiful. Otherwise they have just like the normal slider where you have 2 doors, and then you could have a slider where you could just push that way. There's like 3 different options. So yeah, actually we'll go back to the kitchen. So upgraded built-in refrigerator. Nice. We have the signature, looks like we have the signature appliance package. Got the microwave right here. Okay. Now the pantry is it's a bit small. Okay, so this is gonna be your pantry right here. But for most people, I think that should be plenty of space. Okay, very nice, beautiful cabinets. And obviously this is upgraded as well. Okay, check the signature oven. Very nice. Okay. Nice. I love the design, little like the gold fixtures. Okay. You got the signature dishwasher as well. Now the stainless steel undermount sink is included. I don't know if it's necessarily this one, but I believe it could be. Let me know for sure. Just shoot me a text, give me a call. I could confirm any information with you in case you have any questions. But yeah, here, let me go ahead and show you. So like in this room right here, so normally elevations when it comes to new construction is just the exterior, like how different the exterior looks. But here, for example, so this is the Parklane floor plan, elevation A, which is included. So you're gonna, all these green areas right here, that's gonna have 12-foot ceilings, and all the yellow is gonna be 10-foot. Okay. Now, if you upgrade to elevation B, you see you're getting more, these are gonna be 12-foot ceilings as well. Okay. And then elevation C, pretty much you're gonna get that vaulted slope. Okay. It's gonna be 14, 16 feet. So what you're looking at. Beautiful dining room area. Okay. So yeah, look, got some good space back here. Beautiful backyard. So here, I'm guessing like the HOA, they'll probably give you about, allow buyers 6 months to a year to finish their backyard landscaping. Okay, so welcome to the primary bedroom. So we have 12-foot ceilings here. Feels very, very spacious. Now, if you're watching this video, you're curious about new construction or homes, you're interested in visiting for the very first time, do me a huge favor. Give me a call, shoot me a text. I'd love to go with you on your very first visit. Now, if you're working with a realtor, that's okay too. Just make sure they go with you on your very first visit. If you go by yourself, the builder agent is going to ask for your name, your email, and your phone number. Once you give them that information, they won't let you have representation down the road. Definitely important you get yourself representation because the builder agents look after the builder's best interest, and we look after your best interest. So, we walk you through the process. We hold the builders accountable. So definitely important to get some representation. Now, welcome to the primary bath. So you have your toilet room. Beautiful black boards, the white cabinets, and the gold fixtures. Beautiful walk-in shower. Cool, and I think another optional upgrade, which this is upgraded to, you could extend out this side of the wall, so you could have a little bit more room. And I think if you do that there, it'll also be this wall too. So you could definitely extend that out. All right, welcome to the primary closet. Nice, love this middle cabinet right here. Okay, my walk-in closet isn't this large, but for sure I'd want this. If it was at least this wide, I'd want to put something like this in there. That'd be really cool. All right, nice little area for you put your shoes. But yeah, guys, that's about it. Let me know what you think of the Parklane in the comments below. Again, if you have any questions, you're curious to know what the incentives are, shoot me a text, give me a call. Thanks so much for watching my video. Until then, I'll catch you guys on the next one.